Hello student, our today's topic is preparation of aryl halides. The first preparation is by halogenation of aromatic hydrocarbon. We have to prepare aromatic aryl halides, that means halogen group chlorine, bromine or fluorine, iodine attached to aromatic rings. These are the aryl halides represented by Rx. The preparation of this aryl halide from benzene or aromatic compound. For that, first we add chlorine molecule in the presence of FeCl3 at the temperature 310 to 320 Kelvin. This is the condition for the halogenation. In the benzene molecule, we added Cl2 molecule. Here, one of the chlorine atom is attached to this position, and hydrogen from this position is removed as hydrochloric acid. HCl as a byproduct is removed, and one chlorine remaining attached to this position. See here, this is a chlorobenzene prepared from benzene. This is the first method, preparation of chlorobenzene from benzene. Next method is by electrophilic substitution reaction. In electrophilic substitution reaction, arenes when treated with chlorine or bromine in presence of Lewis acid as a catalyst like FeCl3 or Fe or BlCl3 undergoes electrophilic substitution to form corresponding aryl chlorides or bromides respectively. See here, this is molecule of toluene. CH3 group is attached to benzene ring. This is the toluene molecule, and when we add twice Cl2 molecule, then the one of the chlorine may attach to ortho position. See here, this is toluene molecule, CH3, this is toluene molecule, and one of the chlorine attached to the ortho position, and next chlorine is attached to para position. See here, this is parachlorotoluene and this is orthochlorotoluene, this is parachlorotoluene. In this way, we get two molecules, orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene. This is the orthochlorotoluene molecule and this is a parachlorotoluene molecule. When we add Cl2 molecule into toluene in the presence of Fe, then the ortho and parachlorotoluenes are obtained. Ortho and para isomers can be easily separated. These two isomers can be easily separated as there is a large difference in their melting points. The reaction with iodine is reversible. See here, we do the reaction with chlorine, but the reaction with iodine is reversible. Hence, to prepare alkyl iodides, oxidizing agents are used. Fluorocompounds cannot be prepared by this method as fluorine is highly reactive. See students, for iodination is reversible and fluorines cannot be prepared because fluorine is highly reactive. This is the second method, electrophilic substitution reaction. The third method is from phenol. What the phenol is? See here, this is a molecule of phenol. When one of the hydrogen of benzene ring is removed by OH group, then compound is phenol. This is a phenol. When this OH group is replaced by halogen atom, chlorine, bromine, then The compound obtained is called chlorobenzene or bromobenzene or allyl halides. See here, this is a phenol molecule. We add PCl5, then it forms C6S6Cl and SCl and POCl3 as a byproduct. In this way, the third method, preparation of chlorobenzene from phenol. Fourth method is from benzene diazonium salt. From benzene diazonium salt, replacement of diazonium group by chloride or bromide using cuprous salt is called Sandmeyer reaction. Replacement of diazonium group by chloride or bromide using cuprous salt is called Sandmeyer reaction. Primary amines reacts with nitrous acid. Primary amines reacts with nitrous acid. See here, NH2, this is a primary amine. This reacts with nitrous acid, NaNO2 and HCl, NaNO2 and HCl. Then it forms diazonium salt. Primary amines when reacts with NaNO2 and HCl, then it forms diazonium salt. This diazonium salt when reacted with CuCl, then in the presence of HCl, it forms chlorobenzene. It forms chlorobenzene. See here, chlorobenzene is obtained when we add here CuCl and HCl. When we add CuCl and HBr, here aryl bromide is obtained. This is the Sandmeyer's reaction. When we add see here Cu, when we add Cu, not CuCl and HCl, then also chlorobenzene and bromobenzenes are obtained. This is Gattermann reaction. And when we add HbF4 into benzene diazonium salt, then benzene diazonium salt with BF4 is obtained. And when heated, this En2 and BF3 molecules are removed. N2 and BF3 molecules are removed and we get fluorobenzene. What we get? We get fluorobenzene in this way. This is the benzene molecule and this is fluorobenzene. This is a Ball-Simon reaction. This is a Ball-Simon reaction. We also get iodobenzene. When we add Ki into benzene diazonium salt. When we add Ki into benzene diazonium salt, then we get iodobenzene. See here, and KCl is a byproduct. In this way, we get chlorobenzene, bromobenzene from Sandmeyer's reaction, also chlorobenzene, bromobenzene from Gattermann reaction, fluorobenzene, Ball-Simon reaction and iodobenzene. In this way, these are the preparation of aryl halides. In next topic, there is a next point, chemical reactions of aryl halides. Okay student, we have to stop here.